Have you ever wondered how your favorite underground artist music videos always have these trendy distortion edits, those BRAINROT edits? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do all in a matter of seconds with the help of a brand new bundle, the ultimate BRAINROT bundle. With over 60 presets, this bundle has everything you need to achieve those really viral effects. It is truly like a drag and drop process. So let's not waste any more time. Let me show you. So as you can see, we have this clip right here, and we're going to turn it into that BRAINROT aesthetic with the help of our presets right here. So let's go to the BRAINROT effects essentials. So these presets are really made to distort your footage, and I'm going to show you how you can combine all of those together and really create a crazy style. So let me show you how easy these are to use. So let's say we drag in Dizzy Nightmare right here. So that is one of the 30 presets. There are so many options and so many possibilities in which you can create this aesthetic. Let's say we drag in Swag 2012 filter. So that's one I like a lot, especially if you want to add that kind of like meme fried kind of filter to it. Let's say we drag this one Swagged Out on steroids. You're gonna have this very cool look. I'm gonna show you two more and then we're gonna move on, because there is so much inside of this bundle, I'm telling you. So one of my favorite ones is Trippy Grid as well. Like, come on, this goes crazy. This is insane. And one thing I suggest to do is to put the effects on an adjustment layer. That way you can stack effects under. You can create effects with, let's say, like GIFs, animated elements. As I'll show you, we have a bonus part of the bundle. Let's say we put fried footage on there on top. You get this really cool look, and then you can stack on the effects. So let's say you do like essential low FPS. Just gonna add that cool style right here. And what's crazy is that these 30 presets that I showed you is basically the third of what you get in the bundle. Let me show you what else we have. Then we have the BRAINROT text animations. With just as much, we have 30 presets as well. That's 60 presets in total. So let's say we create a text real quick. We're gonna type BRAINROT. Let's make this bigger. There we go. We're gonna align it. All right, we might as well get in tutorial mode. Let's do like, give it a pink look. I just like using pink, and then you put a white stroke on there. There we go. That looks pretty nice. And I added a drop shadow as well. So now when you go to the BRAINROT effects text animation, you can drag any of the presets and it's going to add that choppy, high energy text animation look. So let's say we add Polygomatic on there. You just got to drag it on to the text layer. Now, just like that, your text layer is animated in that way. It is super crazy. Let's try some other ones. So we could do favorite gender. This one is crazy. It kind of goes like back and forth. I want to show you one of my favorite ones by far, which is the 25th one. It's called Whoa. So basically, you just gotta drag it on, and then it says duplicate layer for sauce. So you just gotta do Command D a couple times, and now you get that effect instantly. It's like a bunch of text popping up all over the screen. It looks insane. Let me show you a few more. There are also a feature that I love about the text animations as well are these like slide right loop, slide left loop. Often in these kind of like BRAINROT edits, there are going to be like some text involved. It's going to loop maybe to the left. It's going to loop like this. So that is exactly what that's for, and it automates this whole process. Let me show you. So let's say we put one on top. You can just select slide right loop. So what I suggest doing before though is we're going to make this a bit less big, and then we can paste this one. We're going to do Command V, and you just want to make sure that it fits on the screen, like the way that I'm doing. There we go. And now all we got to do is do slide right loop, drag it on there, and now you're going to get this really cool animation. Let's say we drag seizure shake on there. So you can really stack up these effects. It looks weird right now because we need to add choppy footage. That way everything is going to be choppy, super nice. So we could put another one here. We can duplicate that one, and then we're going to put that one to the bottom, something like that. And then when we put those under the adjustment layer, the BRAINROT effects essential preset, it's going to affect everything below. Where you're going to put, let's say like a box. Let's say we grab the rectangle tool. We just create a shape layer right here. We're going to make it white under the text layer. And then we duplicate it under the other one. And now you get this really cool looping text effect. We can make them white. Actually, that will look better. Low key. So as you can see, you can get that type of result all in a matter of clicks. Now, last but not least, I'm going to show you my favorite part of the bundle, which is the bonus animated elements that comes exclusively with the bundle. So you have over 27 precisely. So these are GIFs that you can incorporate and drag onto your projects and get those crazy BRAINROT graphics. I love these so much. Let me show you how they work. So you can really just drag and drop some like the favorite ones you like. Let's say we drag in square box, animated trucking box, angry block. There we go. Let's drag it on there. And now you can already see like how crazy this is about to be. So let's make the mouth, put it over there. So this is the only part where you just gotta kind of like customize it. Take the geeked emoji one, we're gonna put it over there. Square box, we're gonna scale it down, make it something like that. The animated tracking box as well. And we're gonna put the adjustment layer on top, but I think I'm gonna change effects though. We're gonna try trippy grunge. Let's put trippy grunge on there. Like, this is literally insane, and you can see like how fast we made this. Definitely a game changer. So that was pretty much it for the breakdown. If you're looking to cop the ultimate BRAINROT bundle, it'll be available in the description with a discount for 15% off just for sticking around this long. There's gonna be a whole different editor with these presets, just me. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.